Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to stop others from expanding your Instagram profile picture. This simple trick will help protect your privacy and ensure no one can zoom into your photo. Let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile by tapping your picture in the bottom right corner. Once there, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Scroll down and select Account Privacy. Within the privacy settings, you'll see an option called Allow Profile Picture Expansion, which is enabled by default. All you need to do is toggle this setting off and your profile picture will no longer be expandable. To confirm that it's working, log into a secondary account or ask a friend to check. When they try to expand your profile picture, they won't be able to. It's that simple.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.